Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to create a new project in Descript, so let's get started. Creating a new project in Descript is your gateway to crafting audio magic. Let's dive into the simple steps. Step 1. Within the Drive view, locate and click New, then select Project. Step 2. Give your project a name and tap Create Project. Step 3. Welcome to the composition area, equipped with a suite of editing tools. Step 4. Bring in your audio file while Descript processes. Specify the number of speakers and their names, or select Unsure for now. Step 5. Post-transcription. The script takes shape. Enhance, refine, and make it yours. Step 6. Explore a world of possibilities with the plus icon above the editor. Dub, add markers, leave comments, and more. Step 7. Navigate your track with the timeline. Trim using the blade icon. For enhancements, unleash the power of the right panel's Add Effect button. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.